In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page easily with Hosting a Website Builder. If you want a simple way to make a clean, focused landing page without dealing with complicated setup, this process is very beginner-friendly. We'll be creating a new page directly inside Hosting a Website Builder. And the good news is that it only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. After you're inside the dashboard, look for your website and click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage and edit your site. From there, click Edit Website. This opens the Hosting a Website Builder, which is where you'll make changes to your site visually. If this is your first time using it, give it a moment to load fully so all the editing options appear correctly. Once you're inside the editor, go to the left side menu and click on Pages. This section lets you manage all the pages currently on your website, and it's also where you can create a brand new one for your landing page. Next, click Add Page. Hostinger will show you different options for the kind of page you want to create. Since we want full control over the layout and content, click New Empty Page. This gives you a blank starting point, which is ideal for building a landing page from scratch without extra sections you may not need. After that, you'll be asked to enter a name for the page. Type in the page name you want. Choose something clear and relevant, since this helps keep your website organized and makes the page easier to identify later. Then, paste the URL you want to use for this landing page. This is the part that defines the page link, so it's best to keep it short, simple, and easy to read. A clean URL usually looks more professional and is easier to share. Once you've entered the page name and pasted the URL, click Save. That's it. Your new landing page has now been created inside Hostinger Website Builder. At this point, the page is ready for you to customize with your own content, design, and call to action elements. Starting with an empty page is a great option when you want a landing page that stays focused and avoids distractions. And that's how to create a landing page easily with Hosting a Website Builder.